Keeping your AI notes organized is easy with folders. Create folders to group related meetings, projects, and ideas, so everything stays in one place and is easy to find. Let's get started by creating your first folder. From the home screen, click Folder in the sidebar. To create a new folder, click Create New Folder, enter a folder name, then click Create. Once your folder is ready, you can add notes in two different ways. First, click Add Note. You can quickly find notes by searching with keywords or filtering by note type. Select the notes you'd like to organize, then click Add Note to place them in your folder. Or, from the home page, click the More Options menu on the note, then select Move to Folder and choose the destination folder. Your note will be moved instantly. Need even more organization? You can nest folders up to 4 levels deep, and each folder displays an item count to help you navigate your workspace more efficiently. To manage multiple notes at once, use Select Items to select one or more notes for bulk actions. Filter notes by type with the All Types menu, then use the page controls to browse additional notes. That's it. Your notes are now organized, easy to manage, and always within reach. NoteX. Capture fast, think smart, work better.